Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Stephanie. I'm the blogger behind brighterdarling.com. I normally blog about beauty, majority, but I do have some fashion and some lifestyle stuff thrown in there as well because I am a fairly new mom. I have an almost 1-year-old, so occasionally I do dabble in some stitch fixes, and I've been very lucky to have a stylist who is on point with my very neutral, classic, slightly edgy and trendy, like rocker, boho chic kind of style. I don't even know what to call it. This is what I always tell the stylist. I say, I'm somewhere in between Jennifer Aniston and Blake Lively. Like, if those two styles had a baby, that's the kind of looks I go for. I like basics with like a little something extra, always very neutral. So, yeah, this was a stitch fix that I actually just got this past month in August, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it was a pretty good one. So let's just get right to it. So to start, I have switched my stitch fixes from every month. I was doing them every month shortly after pregnancy because, as you guys know if you are moms, your body changes a lot after pregnancy, and basically none of my clothes really fit the same anymore. Like, some things, but you just don't feel as good as you used to in them, because even if your weight goes back to the same as it was, a lot of times your body just is different, so things just don't fit you the same. So even if you were a certain size before pregnancy and you're that same weight you were, your hips are a little bit bigger, your waist's a little bit bigger, it's just different. So I've had to slowly rebuild my wardrobe. Some pieces I was able to keep, but there's a lot of things that I had to just say, it's done. And also there's just been some things I just can't really wear anymore with the baby. Like, I was a big, deep V-neck wearer, and I still love a good V-neck. Like, don't get me wrong, I will never betray my love of a V-neck because I think it opens like up, it makes me look taller because I'm not tall, I'm 5'3", and I'm also like kind of curvy, like I'm 5'3", and I have a good pear shape, so whenever I can like open up this area, I feel like it balances me out. However, wearing those deeper V-necks when you have almost 1-year-old grabbing at your shirt all the time results in sometimes maybe flashing people. So like, these are the things that like I've had to kind of adjust. So when I was scheduled to get this box for August, I was like, well, perfect. I'm going up to upstate New York to the Finger Lakes area with a friend of mine who also has a baby the same age. We had babies a week apart, and we were going up for like wineries and breweries and like hiking and like just hanging out and having a little more of like an outdoorsy / winery time. And now, as we're entering the fall and winter season, I definitely will have to start rebuilding my fall and winter clothes because I've just been going season by season as we've progressed through the year with rebuilding some things. So let's get to what we got. So my normal stylist's name is Kristen. I've had her for like, I would say at least a year now, at least, because she started styling me when I was still pregnant, when I was doing their maternity stitch fix. Well, Kristen was unavailable, so I got a girl named Sydney this month, but Sydney also did awesome. So if by chance, Sydney, you're watching this, you and Kristen are two of my best stylists I've ever had with Stitch Fix, and I've dabbled in Stitch Fix for years, so thank you. She said Kristen will be back for the next box, but both of them did great. Let's get to it. There are these denim shorts by PISTOLA, which I actually have a couple pairs of pants from them. So these are them. They have like the distressed hem, really soft. So they look really big, and they kind of are. She sent me a size 28. I haven't updated my style profile. I'm probably 27 now. I don't want to say I don't want to go to a 26 because I've never been a 26. My pre-pregnancy jean size was 27. So I feel like I'm a 27. And I do think these are meant to be a little like looser. So this is just a size up, which is fine. Sometimes I do go up a size in jeans. And here's the back. So nothing special, pretty plain. They are a little stretchy, which is really nice. Super soft denim. PISTOLA denim has been really well loved for me. Like, I have, I think, 2 pairs of pants from jeans from them. The next thing that I got, sorry, I just dropped a lip gloss, is this plaid button down. This is from Cut from the Cloth, which I think it's a brand sold at Nordstrom. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure Cut From The Cloth is at Nordstrom. So I thought this was really cute. It is like 3/4 sleeves. It looks much more purple in the camera. It's more of a maroon in real life. And this red is not as bright as the camera is showing. It's more of like a brick. So I don't know, for whatever that's worth. But I like it because I love 3/4 sleeves and I love button downs for the same reason that I like V-necks. It's got snap closures. It's not a button, like button down, it snaps, which is kind of cool. It's got the chest pocket and, but yeah, so she sent me this in a size small, which fit just fine, and you'll see the clips. She threw in this dress, which I'm not usually somebody who likes this type of cut of dress because I don't have a very small waistline. Like my waist to hip proportion is not big. Like I have like, here's my waist and then my hips are only a little bit bigger, if that makes any sense. Like I don't have like the teeny waist and then like big hips. So these styles don't really usually like do me such good justice, but this dress actually wasn't terrible. And I needed like a summer sundress, something that I can wear through the fall. And I thought the olive was a pretty, like it's like an olivey sage. I love this color. I thought this was a good color. And it's smocked in the back, which is always nice to have. It makes it easy to wear and fit in as your size changes. And then on the bottom, it has the same little like eyelets here. So again, I'll show you guys. And it's double lined, which was nice, very soft and comfortable. And surprisingly, where this hits is actually not as unflattering as some others are. And I think she sent me this in a medium. Yeah, this is in a medium. The last two things are more cozy. This shirt, guys, I brought all this on my trip, so that's why it's all been worn. I will say this shirt, don't judge it. I was wearing it with a Barefoot Dreams cardigan I got from Nordstrom, and it shed like a mother all over everything. My car, my leggings, my t-shirt I'm about to show you. Like, it's so hard to remove. So it's not that the shirt came like this with the little pills on it. It's the freaking sweater. So anyway, it's just this plain V-neck t-shirt. But what's really nice about it is it's like a thicker viscose rayon blend. Like, it's not a super sheer t-shirt. It has like a good quality weight to it. The seams and what do you call it? I don't know what you call these, the seams. Feel like well made, like not like they're gonna rip apart really easily like it was from Walmart or something. And the really nice detail is it actually has like a darting in the back. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but there are two darts in the back which give you a more feminine frame when you're wearing it, like the way it lays on your midsection. It's not tight, but it just gently bevels in and out, so you don't look like you're wearing like a boxy, basic, you know, undershirt kind of. It has like a nice form to it without being clingy. And then the last piece that came with this box before I get into the try-on are a pair of joggers from GAIAM. So these are a pair of joggers. They're in a size small. That t-shirt's also in a small. Now, she originally sent me medium. It was way too big, which I guess is a good thing. It means I'm moving towards my pre-size. But I was really sad because now Stitch Fix lets you exchange clothes, but a trick I've learned, if you are a Stitch Fix user, sometimes you try to exchange sizes like as soon as you get your box, and it doesn't show that the size you want is in stock. But if you just keep checking every day leading up to your like 5-day window to check out, every time I've done this, the size I want comes back in stock. So don't rush to return your box if you're really wanting to exchange something for a different size. Just check every day, and it has always come back in stock like the size I want. Because I guess they ship out the same stuff to a lot of different people like that same month, and then some people don't want that size, so then they are doing the same thing you're doing, like trying to exchange sizes and whatnot. So the faster they get processed, then the faster it becomes available for you to get. So this was one of those things. So I had gotten shipped the medium. They were way too big. I mean, joggers are supposed to be a little baggy, but these were just like, even the waist was like too much. So it was just too much material, and the material is like a rayon spandex, so it wasn't gonna shrink really easily. So thank God the small came back in stock. And I really love these. They have a pocket, which is hard to see because it's black, but they have a pocket. And obviously they have the little like cuffed hem on the ankle. And they're so cozy. I wore these every day when we were on the vacation. I was able to wear them out. I wore them with the navy t-shirt. I wore them with the plaid shirt as well. Very easy to wear. I definitely plan on getting a lot more wear and use out of these in the fall. So anyway, I don't want to waste any more of your time. I'm sure you want to see what they look like on, so let's get into the try on. All right, I don't know if the lighting is any better. I have like a big window right here. So I'm like cracked it a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna help. I'm just trying my best, guys. So anyway, here's the shirt and the shorts. I definitely should have sized down in these shorts. They fit me fine on the waist, but I don't mind this looseness. I actually think that's very flattering on the leg, but it almost looks too much, like it's almost too much material. I don't know. They're really cozy and comfy now this year with like post-pregnancy stuff that's still going on, but I think they won't fit me next summer. I think they might be really big, unless I'm pregnant again, who knows. But besides that, I think the overall style is cute. Like they're not too short of an inseam. The fraying, I love the fraying. The wideness, not being too clingy on the leg and making you look like you have like legs busting out of shorts. I hate that look. I really like that. But yeah, I definitely could have done probably a little smaller. So that's what they look like. They're not super high-waisted. They pretty much hit, like I would say mid-rise. They hit right at my belly button here. And then the t-shirt also, this is the navy t-shirt. And see how it just has like that little taper here? It's hard to appreciate it because the shorts are so baggy. This isn't doing it justice. Maybe if I do like the little tucky, like the bloggers do. Maybe that's a little more flattering, but yeah, so here's the t-shirt, and let's see, can you see? Yeah, so that's pretty much the gist of it. Is my little lumberjack chic look, probably my favorite look of the entire box. I love the baggiest shorts with this baggiest lumberjack shirt. I am totally here for this. So this is that cut from the cloth shirt in a size small. Hopefully you guys can see. So I just did the little French tuck thing with this because, you know, it is a little bit baggier. It has like, you know, it can hang down off your booty. So you can definitely wear these in the fall with jeans or leggings. I think it just looks really cute and would pair well with like some slip-on sneaks right now, some Converse, or then when you're wearing it with some leggings with some flat like rubber soled booties, that would be fun. So this is probably my favorite. This is the green dress. I thought it had pockets, but it doesn't. But this is what I'm talking about. So like when it hits me here, I personally feel like this is not the most flattering on me, but this one is not that bad. And as you guys know with Stitch Fix, if you end up like not keeping all 5 items, you end up like paying more for the 4 you do like. So it's always just worth it to keep the 5th as long as it's not like something horribly terrible. So yeah, I didn't think this one was that bad. It would look really cute with a jean jacket on in the fall. Totally can wear it with some tights in the fall as well if it got even colder than that. But now it's fine just wearing it with some flip-flops if I had. And yeah, so again, it's got like the smocked back. You're not gonna really be able to tell, but the smocked back, and like it doesn't look bad from the side either. Like usually when things hit me here, it makes me look really wide, but this one I don't think really does. So overall, I didn't think it was worth returning. Sorry, I'm trying to make it brighter. So yeah, I didn't think this one was that bad. So kept this dress, just something nice to have if I do have an event that I need to wear a dress to, because I honestly don't really have any dresses that could do this kind of a multi-purpose thing. So yeah, and the nice thing is the straps are also adjustable. So yeah, and it seems to hit right where a normal bra would, even if I wanted to wear it with a normal bra and then throw a jean jacket on it. I don't have to wear a strapless, which is all right, guys. So these are the joggers. Don't mind this shirt. This is literally a shirt from Walmart. Hopefully you can see. I tried to make it. There we go. That might be a little better. Don't mind the bruise. That's playing with my dogs. Okay, so here are the joggers. Again, these are by GAIAM, that yoga brand. These are in a size small. Hope you can see. I'm trying to get a little closer. I think you can see a little better. So they do have like a little looseness to them, but I didn't want them like crazy baggy because I'm not like a big person. So again, I'm 5'3" and I'm currently about a size 6. So I didn't want something too baggy. It would just make me look frumps. So these are them. They're pretty high-waisted, so they hold everything in the belly area in, and they're really comfortable. They got the little pocket here. That's what they look like cuffed. I can totally pull them down and just wear them with sneakers, and then they just look like kind of like sweatpants. Really cozy. Nothing really much to write home about. Anyway, these are the GAIAM joggers for my Stitch Fix. Well, all right, guys. Whoa. Anyway, thanks for watching my try-on of my Stitch Fix from this August. I hope it was helpful for you if you are on the fence about trying Stitch Fix. I definitely recommend it. I always say to try it at least 2 boxes because a lot of times the first box is like a trial box. Your stylist is figuring you out. You're figuring out your stylist. You're also kind of getting an idea of the kinds of brands that Stitch Fix carries. So sometimes you want to just adjust your profile after that first month. So I like to give it at least a couple boxes to find the stylist that works best for you and know how to work your profile so you're getting really the things that you like. So I wish you the best of luck in your Stitch Fix shopping. And if you want to use my referral link, you obviously will get some money off your box, and then I get a credit towards future boxes, which I do very much appreciate. And yeah, so have a good one, and I will talk to you guys next time I do a Stitch Fix unboxing.